Welcome children to the class. Here we are going to discuss in this class about the question answers of the children. Children, don't forget. So what the poet is saying? Children, don't forget that there is God which you believe, and if you wish something, the God is there to fulfill your wishes. Okay. So here the first question is, who is the poet talking to? Okay. So there are questions. See the questions and I am sending in the answers. See the question and write down the answer. Okay. Answer the following questions. The first one is, who is the poet talking to? The poet is talking to the children. Write down the answer. The poet is talking to the children. Does the poet believe in elves and fairies? Give reasons for your answers. Yes, there are elves and fairies yet, because we can see the footprints and we can see the fairy shoe. Once again, yes, there are elves and fairies yet, because we can see the footprints and we can see the fairy shoe. Write at least 2 rhyming words for the following words from the poem. Elves, fairies. Fear, tear, look, book, wait, date, seat, meet. Okay? Yes. Rightly, without spelling mistakes, write down. Next we have read the given extracts and answer the questions with reference to the context. Children, don't forget there are elves and fairies yet. Where the naughty hawthorn grows, look for prints of fairy toes. Where the grassy rings are green, moonlight dances shall be seen. Where does the poet ask to look for prints of fairy toes? Where shall the moonlight dances be seen? Let us see the answer here. Yes, the poet asked to look for footprints of fairy toes on naughty hawthorns. The poet asked to look for prints of fairy toes on naughty hawthorn. Moonlight dances shall be seen on grassy rings. Watch and wait, oh lucky you, if you find a fairy shoe, for a ransom he will pay. Hobbling barefoot all the day, lay it on a mushroom seed. Wish your wish and go your way, if your wish should be discreet, never fear, but he will pay. What does the poet tell you to do if you find a fairy shoe? The poet tells to watch and wait if you find a fairy shoe. The God will fulfill your wish, so keep it secret. Okay? So these are our question and answers. Write down in the notebook neatly. Next we will discuss in the was again. So in the was again is, it's a lesson of Sachin Tendulkar. Yes? Right. About the Sachin Tendulkar's life, we will write down the question answers of that line. Now, in the was again, answer the questions. How is Achrekar sir related to Sachin? Achrekar sir is the coach of Sachin. Who is Achrekar sir? Achrekar sir is the coach of Sachin in cricket. Why was Raju Kulkarni upset with Sachin? Why was Raju Kulkarni upset with Sachin? Raju Kulkarni was upset with Sachin because he was not wearing the helmet. So when he was wicket keeping in the field, in the pitch, he was not wearing the helmet. So Raju Kulkarni was upset with Sachin. What lesson did Raju Kulkarni want to teach Sachin? So Raju Kulkarni was upset with Sachin. What did he want to teach Sachin? Raju Kulkarni wanted to teach the importance of wearing the helmet in batting to Sachin. Raju Kulkarni wanted to teach the importance of wearing the helmet in batting to Sachin. What values did Achrekar sir want his students to learn? Achrekar sir believed that to be brave and concentrated in the work what you do. Achrekar sir believed that to be brave and concentrated in the work what you do. Read the given extracts and answer. Read the given extracts and answer the questions. Why was Sachin relieved to find his parents away? When Sachin Tendulkar went his home, he saw his grandmother. So he was relieved. Why he was relieved? Because if they were in home, they would have scolded him. Okay. When Sachin got hurt, he went to home, but his parents were away. He was relieved because they would have scolded him. Why did grandmother apply over the bruise? Why did his grandmother apply turmeric over the bruise? Here turmeric means ಅರಿಶಿಣ. ಅವ್ರ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅರಿಶಿಣನ ಹಚ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಟರ್ಮರಿಕ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಬ್ರೂಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಬೈ ಹೋಮ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್. So the grandmother was unable to take him to the hospital, so she applied the turmeric as we believe it is the home medicine. Why did his grandmother apply turmeric over the bruise? Grandmother applied turmeric over the bruise to cure it easily by home medicine. Now second one, what kind of pitch did they play on? What kind of pitch did they play on? Now tell me, how was the pitch when Sachin was batting every day? Okay, they played on half-baked and overused pitches. Here the word half-baked means not fully clean or not fully grassy. Half-baked, that means half-cutted grass. They played on half-baked and overused pitches. Why did the coach insist on players batting without helmets? Why did the coach insist on players batting without helmets? Why did the coach tell the players to bat without helmets? Okay. Coach insisted player to play without helmet because they should be active and concentrated while playing. Coach insisted player to play without helmet because they should be active and concentrated while playing the match. So these are our question answers for today. Next we will discuss about the cause and effect. Okay? Yes, finish it right fast. Finish writing it fast. Then we will discuss about cause and effect. So here cause and effect. ಯಾಕಾಯಿತು, ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಏನು. Example, when we study for the exam, we will get the good result. If we don't study, we get the same result. Yes, so that is cause. Cause means ಯಾಕಾಯಿತು. Yes, effect ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು. Okay, let us see here cause and effect. When an event or thing leads to another event, thing, that is effect. The two are said to have a cause and effect relationship. When an event means any situation or any incident leads to another event. ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ, By establishing a connection between the cause and the effect, we can get a better understanding of the story. So here in the lesson we have the cause and effect. What is the cause? ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಚಿನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅಚ್ರೇಕರ್ ಸರ್ ಸಚಿನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. So when he practiced without wearing helmets, what was the result? He was good in batting. He was very much concentrated over the batting. So let us see. Our wicket keeper got injured and I had to reluctantly step into his role even though I would never tried it earlier. Our wicket keeper got injured and I had to reluctantly step into his role even though I had never tried it earlier. So when the wicket keeper was injured, he went out of the game. So I had to go there. So what is the cause? Wicket keeper went. So what happened? He went to wicket keeping. Because the wicket keeper got injured, that is the cause. Because the wicket keeper got injured, that is cause. ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅದು, ಯಾಕಾಯಿತು? ಸಚಿನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೀಪರ್. ಸಚಿನ್ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೀಪರಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಡಿದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ his wicket keeper got injured. So if you get the good result, why you got the good result? Because you studied hard. Yes, so that is our cause. Same when nowadays we are facing oxygen or fresh air problem. Why? Because people are cutting the trees. Yes, the cause is people are cutting the trees, so we are not getting fresh air. But we are getting a little bit fresh air. How? By planting trees or in the garden. So government is planting trees and making gardens, parks to the people, so we are getting fresh air. These are the cause and effect. Example, one more. Take a glass of hot water. Okay. Take a glass of hot water and hold it for half minute. Hold the glass, hot water glass for half minute. Then remove. What happened now? You feel hot. Your hands start getting pain. Why? Because you touched the glass for half minute, hot water. Hand is burning. ಕೈ ಸುಡ್ಲತ್ತದ. ಯಾಕೆ? ನೀವು ಗ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಅರ್ಧ ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಕೈ ಸುಡ್ಲತ್ತದ ಅನ್ನೋದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಿಡ್ದಂತೆ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕಾಸ್. ಕಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಕಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾಕಾಯಿತು. ಎಸ್, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್. ರೀಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಕಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಈಚ್. Injuries were frequent because we play on half-baked and overused pitches and our coach insisted on our batting without helmets. Okay. So what was the cause and was the effect here? Once again, injuries were frequent because we played on half-baked and overused pitches and our coach insisted on our batting without helmets. So result is injuries were happening, that was the effect. Cause means because they were playing without wearing a helmet. Take your pencil and underline injuries. Injuries is the effect, the cause is not wearing the helmets. Okay. Raju Kulkarni, an accomplished Indian test bowler, was livid. when he saw me taking guard in just a cap. So Raju Kulkarni was a Indian test bowler. He was livid. Livid means very much angry. Why? Because I was playing just in a cap. So the result is livid, angry. Why? He was just in a cap. Okay. So take your pencil and underline. Livid is the effect. Cause is guard in just a cap. Next one. It was only later when I was selected for the Mumbai team and came to know Raju well that I finally told him the actual reason for not wearing a helmet. Once again, it was only later when I was selected for the Mumbai team and came to know Raju well that I finally told him the actual reason for not wearing a helmet. So selected is the result. I was selected for the Mumbai team. Why? Because he was not wearing a helmet and practiced. So this is the cause and effect. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss about the words of ED and ID also. Yes? Just finish it fast writing and we will discuss about the spell and say, how to pronounce the words. Okay.